GMA. Today's video, we're going to show you how to make best ever air fried potato chips. We've tried a lot of ways on how to make potato chips, but this one is the best. So let's go!
First, we're going to prepare our potatoes by washing and peeling. Next, cut the potatoes into 1/8-inch slices. Use a mandolin or knife to slice. Soak in cold water. Massage gently. We're doing this to remove the excess starch. Throw out the water. Rinse for 3 times or until the water is clear. Next, soak in hot water for 5 minutes. Next, remove the excess moisture using paper towel. Spray with non-aerosol cooking spray. Season with salt. Massage it gently until all potato slices are coated with oil and salt. Then, arrange the potato slice into 2 layers. Set your air fryer to 300 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, flip the potato slices. Now, we're going to cook for another 8 minutes at 300 Fahrenheit. At this point, the slices are super light, so they get blown around inside the air fryer. When this happens, just arrange them once again. Okay friends, we're almost home now. Next, we are going to set the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. But we're going to check every minute until they are all done, okay? Remove the cooked chips to prevent burning. Okay, I think these are all done now. And don't forget these little gaps that fell through the grate. Come home, little guys! Looks like potato chips. smells like potato chips, and sounds like potato chips. But does it taste like potato chips? So let's find out.
So this is a part of the video that I love. It's tasting time. Can you hear the crunch? So this is not ordinary potato chips like you buy at the supermarket. It's so healthy and crunchy. At the same time, it's light. It's like you have a healthy snack. Hey! It's so good that some people might try to steal some from you. So be careful and protect them with your life, okay? So that's it for today. See you on the next video. Bye!